So today we're talking about ReliveX reviews and trying to understand whether this multifunctional massager is actually legit or just another overhyped product being heavily promoted online. The brand claims that ReliveX can help with chronic back pain, hernia discomfort, nerve pain, stiff shoulders, and general muscle tension without any medication or physiotherapy. It says it uses NMES technology, which is supposed to stimulate muscles and provide deep relaxation. The product also promises instant relief in just 15 minutes a day, which is a very strong claim, especially for people dealing with long-term pain conditions. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and user feedback that may highlight possible red flags or misleading marketing claims. Now, looking at some positive signs, there are a few things worth noting. One interesting point is that the domain linked with the brand appears to have been registered in 2014, which shows it has been around for a long time. This is usually a good sign because many fake or low-trust websites are very new and disappear quickly. A long online presence can suggest some level of stability. When we check customer feedback from platforms like Trustpilot reviews, the opinions are mixed but not entirely negative. Some users say they received their order within the expected time and noticed early improvements in pain relief after a few days of use. A few people mentioned that it helps reduce back pain temporarily and makes daily movement easier. Others say the ordering process was simple and customer support responded when needed, which adds some trust factor. There are also users who have long-term pain conditions like spinal stenosis, herniated discs, or nerve pain who say the device gave them partial relief. Many of them clearly mention that it is not a cure, but something that helps manage pain for a few hours or improves comfort during daily activities. Some even say they prefer it compared to expensive physiotherapy sessions. But at the same time, there are also noticeable red flags in user feedback. Some customers report delays in delivery, sometimes taking weeks or even more than a month. A few users mention confusion around pricing and additional payments, which creates frustration. There are also complaints that the device was difficult to set up properly or that they did not feel any results even after consistent use. In some cases, return shipping costs are mentioned as being very high, especially when the product is shipped internationally, which makes refunds difficult. Another concern is that results vary a lot from person to person. While some users feel relief quickly, others say they experienced no benefit at all. This inconsistency is important because when a product claims instant relief, you would expect more stable results across users. So when we look at everything together, ReliveX doesn't clearly fall into the scam category, but it also doesn't fully guarantee the strong results it advertises. It seems to be one of those products where some people experience temporary relief, while others feel disappointed or see no major change.